Hi guys, I'm Pawan from digitbranch.com and today we have Intex Aqua 4X with us. I'm not going to get into the specifications of this device because they are right there in the description box below. So let's just move ahead and do the unboxing of Intex Aqua 4X. The box has got thin layer of protection, or rather plastic protection, and it provides the protection to the seal as well. So let me just peel off the plastic and let's just see what is there inside the box. So guys, we are done with removing the seal, and let me just take out the device from the box. As you can see, the device is right there in here within the plastic cover. I will be doing the overview of this device, but let me just keep it aside for the moment and go ahead and see what's there in the box. What you get is the standard 3.mm audio jack headphones with this device. You also get standard charging cable with it, and I guess this is the standard data cable that you can use to charge your device as well. Along with it you have this battery, which I'm not sure about the power, but I will be checking out that. So this is all you get when you unbox the device. Let me just introduce everything to you. This cable right here is used to charge your device, as well as used to transfer your files between your computer and your mobile device. This is the device, that is Intex Aqua 4X. This is standard USB charger or travel charger that you can use to charge your device. This is 1300 mAh battery, which I suppose would give the 1 day's battery. You also get this additional scratch guard which you can use. Apart from that, you have this standard 3.5mm audio headphones, and this is normal warranty card that you get with the device, and the last one is the user manual. Let me just clear this area up and show you the device and how it boots. Okay guys, now I have cleared everything up, and now I'll be giving you the quick overview of the body. On the right side of the device there are volume buttons and power button, whereas on the back of the device there is this 2 megapixel camera along with LED flash. Just below the LED flash you can see Intex logo. On the left side there is absolutely nothing, and at the bottom there is this tiny little microphone. Let me just focus it over there. On the top of the device you will find 2.0 micro USB port, which you can use to charge your device as well as to transfer files between computer and your mobile phone. Just beside the port you have 3.5mm audio jack, which of course you can use to listen to the songs. On the front of the device you will see a VGA front facing camera and dual speakers that is right there in the top, and one of them is right there in the top while other one is right there at the bottom. Well, I know this design is quite similar to the HTC One M7 or One M8, but let's just see what we have here, and I hope we will have something that is worth the price of rupees 4000. Let me just take out this back cover and show you the SIM card ports and micro USB port. left position there is a SIM 1 slot, whereas on the extreme right position you can insert micro USB port. In the center there is a SIM 2 slot which you can use. We just put the battery inside and power on the device. Well, this is the normal boot screen that you get once you start the device. And let me just also get rid of this plastic. Well, this is the welcome screen or the boot screen. Let me just quickly set up the device so that we can use. I hope everything is visible now, and that's the unboxing video of Intex Aqua 4X. The software is Android 4.2 Jelly Bean, which I would be covering in the full review of the smartphone. Apart from that, there are 3 capacitive buttons at the bottoms, and that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up. Thanks a lot.